Abu Eqtaish joins us now from Ramallah. He's an Accountability Programme Director at Defence for Children International Palestine. Abu, thank you so much indeed for your time. Let's just get one thing straight for our international viewers. What sort of people does Israel detain? Are these criminals or are these children who throw stones at armoured vehicles?
DCI, it's a child rights organization. Its role is to defend Palestinian children before the Israeli military court system and advocate in order to improve the situation of the Palestinian children. According to the information that we collected during the last 30 years, we can say that ill treatment and torture is widespread, systematic, and institutionalized. Despite the mounting international criticism to the Israeli practices, Israel almost didn't change anything in relation to its way in treating Palestinian children. During the last period, especially after the 7th of October, ill treatment and torture has intensified against Palestinian children, and there is now a lack of all territorial guarantees, and almost in the West Bank, the majority of Palestinian children are placed under administrative detention orders. So 1/3, at least, of Palestinian children arrested and detained by the Israeli authorities are placed under administrative detention orders, which is detention without charges, without court proceedings, based on the decision of the military commander of the area. And after that, there is a legal review for this administrative detention order, but almost the defense lawyer can do nothing in order to provide proper legal defense for their clients, because whenever he tries to argue or refute the allegation against the child, the response that this is part of secret file that they couldn't release. Now the situation become worse and worse because Palestinian child prisoners are totally separated from the outside world. Now court sessions are taking place through video link, so the child do not appear or in his court session, so just through a video link, and also there is no visitation for children inside Israeli prisons, whether by families, and the visitation of lawyer is are very limited. So we can say that the situation is very difficult inside Israeli prisons in relation to Palestinian children arrested from Gaza Strip. Almost they are forcibly disappeared because there is no information about their whereabouts, how they are treated, where they are incarcerated. And whenever any Israeli or Palestinian organization tried to get any piece of information about their conditions or about their whereabouts, there is no response from the Israeli authorities. Hamuked, an Israeli human rights organization, petitioned the High Court in order to get information about a group of prisoners from Gaza who were arrested from Gaza envelope during the first day on the 7th of October, and their petition was refused, and almost the Israeli authorities do not provide any piece of information about the conditions of those prisoners. But the information leaked from released prisoners indicate that the types of ill treatment and torture, it's unbearable. There is no protection for those prisoners, among them children. And we saw the experience of one child where he describes his ordeal when he was arrested by the Israeli military.
Abu Eqtaish, thank you very much for your time, sir.